which is the language that I use is the React.js, which is part of the JavaScript. So this is the output. So I have here, okay, so this transaction balance app has no database yet, and this is the output. And as you can see, this is a transaction balance app, and we have their balance, for example, and I put the 1 million. This is 1 million, and the transaction history, this initial deposit, which is 1 million. And we have here the add new transaction. There, for example, like I do have a job, and I wanted to put my sweldo, so in here. So for example, I have the 1 million. So so the user can transact a new amount of money. So we have here transaction name, we have the amount and the type, no? So I put the income and the expenses. So for example, I have here the income. So I will put account, for example, and for example, I have 500 here. Okay, so if I click the add transaction, then it will, the money will nadugangan siya, no? Nadugangan. So it will become $1,500,000. So that's my transaction app, the transaction balance app. So first is that I first step. So this is the first step of creating the React.js app. So first is that I use the React.js, which is the npx create React app transaction balance app. And then once you already put this on your command terminal, then it will, you can see this creating a new React, and then installing packages, and then in here, in here it says success. So nahimo na siya, and then in here nag-CD transaction balance app ko, which is the app, no, the file name of the app, which is the transaction balance app. So this one, and then so nag-CD ko, and also nag-use ko npm start, and then so if I use the npm start, then it will magawas tong output na React.js, no? Edit that React.js na nag-take yung logo, and then so yep, so mali siya ang magawas, no? If ever nga nag-npm start ka, and then in here, and now I can code na, which is it will redirect it to my visual app, no? Which is the Visual Studio. So here I have the here in my components I have add transaction.js, I have the balance, and I have the transaction list.js, and I have also the app.cs, and then we have the app.js, no, for the code. So in here, in my app.js GS, I use the import React state from React. I also use the import app.css, which is kanino, and import balance from components, which is the balance here. And I use the import transaction list and the import add transaction from components. So yeah, kana sila, no? And in here I have the function app. So kanino makita nimo nga initialize with 1 million balance as an income transaction. So in here, as you can see, I put the so this is the initial deposit, no? Katong 1 million. I use the cons, transactions, set transactions, and the state. So we have the name, initial deposit amount, 1 million, and type income. And then we have the cons, calculate balance. We also have the return transactions and reduce account transaction, and we have the return transaction type, and then we have income. So in here, no, kung income ba or katong like ng mga na bayran. So in here we have the account transaction amount and account transaction amount, which is ito magtugang, no? Yeah. And in here I have the cons add transaction, new transaction, and set transactions. We have the transactions and new transactions, and also I put the div class now, which is the app, the transaction balance app, and then we have the balance, the transaction list, we have the transactions, add transactions, and on add transactions, add transaction, and we have the div. So all of this code is in my app.cs, and we are continue here in my add transaction GS. So never mind kani mga backlist, no? Kana siya. And then in here I put the import React use state from React, and then we have the cons add transactions, and on add transaction, and then we have the cons name, set name, use state, no? Katong ang user maka-add transaction siya. And then we have the cons amount and set amount, and then type and set type, no? So in here the cons handle submit. We have the I use the prevent default, cons parse amount and parse float amount. If name is none, parse amount, and alert. Please enter valid transaction details. So mag-punch siya, no? Mag-alert, no? Mag-alert siya. And then in here I put the on a transaction name, amount, parcel amount, and type, and set name and set amount. And then here I use the return, the dev class name, add transaction, add new transaction, handle submit, we have the transaction name, we have the text, we have the on change set name, the target value, and then the placeholder, and the transaction name. We have the label, which is the amount, and then type, number, and then value, amount, on change, set amount, placeholder, enter amount. And then we have here the label, which is the type. So tulo ka label, no? It was just the transaction name, the amount, and the type. And then here use the button type to submit to add transactions. And then in my balance.js, so I use the import React from React, no? So we have here the balance, the cons balance, return balance, the class name balance, and hd your balance, and then ito makita tong balance, no, nga money. sa user kunway. So in my transaction list, don't I use the import React from React, and then we have the cons transactions list, the transactions, and we have the return, the div class name, transactions list, we have the transactions history, and also I have the transaction map, transaction index, and then we have the span transaction name. Then we have the transaction amount to fix, transaction type, and then we have the span, the leave, the UL, and the div, export default transactions. And that's all for my code, no? So the code in here in my transaction app, transaction balance app is we have the components. We have the add transaction.js, balance.js, transactions list, and we also have the built-in na nga JavaScript, which is the app.js, no? So here, and then the output is here. So as you can see, I add the transactions, and then if for example, I'll add Lucy. This is the transaction name Lucy, and then we enter the amount of 200, and then if we enter the add transaction, then it will madugangan siya, no? Ang money is the balance. So in here sa initial deposit we have the 1 billion, and sa ang kay Kakang, which nag add transactions siya of $500, then madugangan siya 500 dire, and then si Lucy nagdugang of 200, then it will 1 million.